Elite. My e-training is an indoor cycling training app designed to work with elite smart trainers. It is mainly used for structured workouts, FTP tests, virtual routes, and basic performance tracking on a bike trainer system. Elite My e-training is a functional but basic cycling training app. It works well for riders who want structured workouts, FTP training, and simple indoor sessions without spending much. A user of Elite My e-training for cycling honest reviews. Only giving 4 stars because I never flipping win, but the concept is superb and you may be the lucky one. The fact that you have the chance to win a house by spending a couple of pounds is enough to give anyone in life a little hope. If you have some loose change and are willing to take a gamble, then this is the company to place your faith in. Elite My e-training app is available with an annual subscription of approximately $19.99 to 2 thighs. Why 19.9, approx 22 USD, which unlocks all features. It is often included free for 12 to 36 months with the purchase of a new Elite Smart Trainer, such as the Justo 2 or Tuo. A free level training option is also available. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay productive, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.